gosh. Wow! Whoa! All right, buddy, no time to think. Whoa! Let's try to survive. Wow! I gotta move as fast as I can! It's already here! Ugh. Everything's falling apart! Ooh. Yeah, I hope this way works! Let's go! Wow! Let's go this way! Hey! I didn't break a single bone. Okay now, what's next? Oh no, I'm not ready to give up yet! No worries. There's a main road behind these houses. Let's try to get there. Get into the car! Hurry up, babe!
We need to get out of here. Now!
Let's go! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, watch out!
Ah! Look out! We need to get to a safe space.
Don't panic. We'll get out of here. Look! This is it! Well, I'm having a family dinner tonight. You have arrived, sir. Wait a second. What's going on? Is the dam failing?
Welcome to survival class.
What should I do?
First of all, don't stop the car in this area. It's too risky.
Say no more. Whoa! The dam is falling apart! It's too late! Ah!
Get on the roof of the car. Hurry up.
Wow, I'm so lucky.
Don't rush to conclusions, sir.
Whoa, whoa, another break! Ah!
You should climb in the building and then wait for evacuation on the roof.
Ugh. Oh, easier said than done, huh?
There are people on a boat. Ask for help.
Hey! I'm here! Hello!
Congratulations, sir. You're safe.
What a wonderful day. Wow! Did you see that? No, tsunami! Let's just try to run away from the waves. Whoa! Oh no. Oh no. Here we go! Okay, hold on tight. Take a deep breath and don't look down. The water is very close. Oh no. Whoa! Oh, watch out! Not ready to give up yet. The water is coming. Oh, thank goodness. Here we go. entire island is sinking! No! The wave is already here! Phew! That was close, huh? The lighthouse, of course! Whoa! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.
I've never seen weather like this. I'm just glad we got the crew and passengers off the ship before anyone was hurt.
Captain, this is the Coast Guard helicopter.
I'm happy to hear from you guys.
How are you getting on down there?
Well, I've been in charge of better cruises, I'll say that.
Do you have any casualties?
Negative. We managed to evacuate the ship. It's just me on board.
Do you have any damage?
Affirmative. We took on water a few hours ago. I'm trying to get the ship back to port.
Captain, can you hear me? We can see smoke. Are you okay?
A little banged up, but I'll survive.
Things are about to get a whole lot worse.
What do you mean? Hello? You're breaking up.
Hurry! Evacuate! Tsunami!
A tsunami? Oh, I've got to get out of here.
We'll meet you on the helipad. Run!
I need to move it. I've got to go.
Come on, we don't have time.
Almost there.
Go, go, go!
That was a close one.
Hey, you're alive. That's the main thing.
I'm just glad there's no one on that ship. Whoa! What's going on here?
Ah! 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 No!
Ugh. I better get out of here. But where can I get a parachute? Ah! We're falling straight into the water! Oh, well, okay, I'm alive. Good news, right?
Yeah, I'm okay too.
Who built this stupid plane?
And now let's get out of here.
This wing almost crushed my head.
Come on, let's get into the boat. No worries, I know how to use it.
Thank goodness we managed to evacuate.
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
Poor thing. Must have been hit by the aircraft.
I hope it's not what I think.
Can you hear that? I read about this weird low-frequency sound recorded by scientists in 1997.
What? What's he doing? No, it's moving here. Hurry up! Let's get out of here!
Watch your head!